Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to use your Chase Freedom Unlimited benefits to get the most out of your card. First, remember, the card gives 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases. So use it for everyday spending like groceries, gas, and bills to earn rewards consistently. Next, take advantage of bonus rewards on dining and travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. This can give you extra points and more value when redeeming for travel. Don't forget about purchase protection and extended warranty. If an eligible item you buy is damaged, stolen, or defective, you could be covered. Just pay with your Freedom Unlimited card. Another great perk is cell phone protection. If you pay your monthly phone bill with the card, you may be eligible for coverage if your phone is damaged or stolen. Finally, you can combine points with other Chase Ultimate Rewards cards to redeem for travel at a higher value or transfer points to travel partners. By using these benefits strategically, you can maximize rewards, save money, and protect your purchases with Chase Freedom Unlimited. If this helped, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips and tricks.